Have you ever felt it? That strange pull, as if something within you was trying to step outside of the body, you know? A moment where your mind drifts beyond the ordinary, and you sense there's more. They call it many names, but at its core, it is the exploration of awareness itself. The realization that you are not bound by the skin you wear, nor the walls around you. Acti, the door between worlds 0:30 to 5 o'clock. Most of us spend our lives believing we are only this body. Flesh, bone, thought, habit. But late at night, when the world grows quiet and your breath slows into rhythm, something begins to happen. You may feel a vibration ripple through your chest, a gentle hum in your ears, a weightlessness, as if gravity itself is loosening its grip. Your first instinct might be fear. What is happening to me? Am I still safe? And yet, the truth is simple. You are safe. You are merely touching the edges of awareness. Astral projection, at its essence, is not about leaving your body. It is about realizing that your awareness is far vaster than the place where you sit. Philosophical reflection, inner monologue. I remember the first time I felt it. My body was still, but my mind drifted upward, as if hovering just a few feet above my bed. The room looked the same, yet different. The colors sharper. The air alive with subtle energy. And I asked myself, if I am here, watching, then what am I? Where's the real me? That question never left me, and it will not leave you either. Act 2, the mechanics of subtle energy, 5 to 10 o'clock. To understand astral projection, we must first understand energy. Everything is energy. Your thoughts, your breath, your heartbeat, even your emotions, those invisible currents that lift you up or pull you down, are forms of subtle vibration. Astral projection is the natural extension of that truth. It is the awareness of your energy body, the layer of yourself that vibrates just beyond the physical. Imagine concentric circles radiating outward from your center. The innermost circle is the body, the next is sensation, then emotion, then thought, and finally, pure awareness, the field that holds it all. When you learn to quiet the outer layers, when the noise of the body and mind grows still, awareness naturally expands. It slips into the subtle realms. Tension rising, storytelling. At first, you may feel your body tremble. Your chest may hum as if a deep current of electricity is flowing through you. This is not danger, it is alignment. Your awareness is stretching, adjusting, remembering. And then the moment comes. You feel yourself rise, not upward in space, but outward in perception. You realize that you are not bound, that you are both here and beyond here. The truth about astral projection is not that you travel to some faraway place. It is that you finally discover the infinite expanse of your own awareness.